Greetings, beautiful soul. I'm out here dodging some raindrops this week, and looks like I might not make it too good. It's gonna get me. Anyway, the topic for this week is something that I have noticed, and I'm sure that you probably have noticed too, which is absolutely awesome and amazing. It's about waking up, and there's so many people out here that are doing just that, waking up and noticing so many different things in the world that are different that we need to focus on. And when you start to wake up, or you notice people around you are beginning to wake up, you start to notice that they, are questioning and seeking more and looking for more answers and more guidance in their experience. And you also might be feeling more empathy and compassion for those around you, which is a beautiful thing, and experiencing a sense of oneness around you and everything that is around you, because we are all one beautiful piece of spirit and creation expressing itself through either a human form or a plant form or a storm form or somewhere a dog form that'll come racing along here in a second. But in any case, I, perhaps like you, have noticed recently that there is so much more expression of love and compassion in the world. And for instance, I was watching some of the football games this weekend because I do love good football. And you'll notice on the back of many of the helmets, it said, "Choose love." And even in the end zone, it says, "It takes all of us," because it does. It takes all of us to have love and share love and practice self-love, because that, my friend, is how you manage your waking up process. And do some research. If you're on this channel, obviously you're awakened, but many, many people are now beginning to look for more information and find out the real truths about our planet and where we're from and who we are and all the things that we're here for. So wherever you are, I hope this little video, I'm going to have to go back. I can hear the rain coming and smell it. I hope this little video will help you wherever you are on your path and those that you love around you too. So thanks for checking in. And remember, that holistic energy that's all around you, it's beautiful today. So thanks and enjoy the rest of your day. See you here again real soon. Hey, Luna, you coming? Luna, come. I seem to, she surprised me. She's ahead of me. Good girl.